Marahil nagtatanong ka, ano nga ba ang Web3? Isa ba itong teknolohiya? Isa ba itong kakaibang imbensyon? Sa video na ito, aralin natin kay Miranda ang buong historya ng Web3 at ba't ba ito nagawa. Kay Miranda, ang Web3 or also known as Web 3.0 ay isang ideya for the new iteration o version ng World Wide Web or WWW na nag-incorporate ng concept ng decentralization, blockchain technologies at mga token-based economics. May mga technologists at journalists na nagsasabi na ito daw ay contrary of a Web 2 wherein they say data and content are centralized in small group of companies sometimes, referred to as big tech. Yung term na Web 3 ay ginawa noong 2014 by the Ethereum co-founder Gavin Wood, and the idea gained interest in 2021 from cryptocurrency enthusiasts, technology companies, and venture capital firms. May mga commentators na nag-argue na ang Web3 will provide increased data security, scalability, and privacy for users and combat the influence ng mga large technology companies. Nag-reason sila ng mga concerns about decentralized web component ng Web3, citing mga potential low moderation and proliferation of harmful content. May mga nag-express ng concerns over the centralization of wealth to a small group of investors and individuals or pwede ring loss of privacy due to the more expansive data collection. Others, katulad ni Elon Musk at Jack Dorsey, have argued ng Web3 daw ay nasiserve lang as a buzzword or marketing term. Kay Miranda, ang Web 1.0 at 2.0 refers to the era wherein the history of the World Wide Web have evolved from various technologies and format. Yung Web 1.0 ay nagre-refer sa panahon ng 1989 to 2004 kung saan marami sa mga websites are static pages lang. And the vast majority nito ay gumagamit lamang ng consumption of data, hindi sila producers of content. Yung Web 2.0 is based around the idea of the web as a platform. Actually, it centers on the users' created content into forums, social media, and networking services, blogs, wikis, among others. Si Web 2.0 ay generally considered to have begun around 2004 and continues up until the current day. Nga pala, kay Miranda, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click on like and subscribe so you're updated for everything about cryptocurrency, technical analysis, fundamentals, and these types of new knowledge for you in crypto. Maraming salamat. Yung Web3 is a distinct terminology according doon sa Tim Berners-Lee 1999 concept of semantic web. In 2006, si Berners-Lee ay nag-describe sa semantic web as a component of a Web 3.0 which is different from the meaning of Web 3 in the blockchain context. Yung Web 3 na ginawa ng Polkadot founder and Ethereum developer Gavin Wood in 2014 refers to the decentralized online ecosystem based on blockchain. Noong 2021, the idea of Web 3 gained popularity. Particular interest spiked toward the end of 2021, largely due to the interest from cryptocurrency and investment from high-profile technologies and companies. Executives na tulad ng mga venture capital firm like Andreessen Horowitz traveled to Washington, D.C. in 2021 to lobby for the idea of a potential solution to question about regulation of web with which policymakers have been grappling on. Yung konsepto ng Web 3, iba-iba sila. Mga specific visions on Web 3 differ and the term has been described by Bloomberg as hazy, but they revolve around the idea of decentralization and often incorporate blockchain technologies tulad ng cryptocurrency at non-fungible tokens. Sabi ni Bloomberg, ang Web3 is actually an idea that would build financial assets in the form of tokens into the inner workings or almost anything you do online. Sabi sa isang policy brief published by the Bennett Institute of Public Policy at the University of Cambridge, dinefine nila ang Web3 as the putative next generation of the web's technical, legal, and payment infrastructure kasama ang blockchain, smart contracts, and cryptocurrencies. According naman kay Liu Zhutao et al. 2021, three fundamental architectural enablers of Web3 were identified as the combination of decentralized or federated platforms, secured interoperability, and verifiable computing through distributed ledger technologies. Overall, ang reception naman sa Web3, may mga technologists and journalists have been describing Web3 as a possible solution to concerns about about over-centralization of the website in few big tech companies. Some have expressed the notion na yung Web3 could improve security of data, scalability, and privacy beyond what's currently possible sa mga Web2 platforms. Sabi ni Bloomberg, meron pa rin mga skeptics na sinasabi daw nila na there's still a long way from proving its use beyond niche applications. Marami pa rin daw mga tools ngayon ay still aimed for crypto traders. Sabi naman ng New York Times, na-report nila na several investors are betting 27 billion di umano that Web3 is gonna be the value of the future of internet in the next years to come. May mga Web2 companies tulad ng Reddit and Discord, they actually have also explored incorporating Web3 into their platforms. Noong November 2021, si CEO Jason Citron tweeted a screenshot suggesting Discord might be exploring integrating crypto into their platform. 2 days later, maraming nagalit. Ang sabi ng Discord, the announcement had no plans to integrate such technologies yet and it was only an internal concept that had been developed in a company-wide hackathon. Ikaw, Miranda, what do you think? Kailangan ba nilang mag-integrate na? Comment down below for your suggestions. May mga legal scholars naman quoted the conversation expressing concerns over the difficulty of regulating a decentralized web, na nag-report din that may take more difficult to prevent cybercrime, online harassment, hate speech, and dissemination of child abuse images because it's decentralized. But the news website also state na ang decentralized web represents the cyber-libertarian views and hopes that the past internet can empower ordinary people by breaking down existing power structures. Some other critics of Web3 see the concept as a part of a cryptocurrency bubble or as an extension of a blockchain-based trends that they see as a overhype, harmful, particularly NFT. Ikaw, nag-agree ka ba? May mga critics din, Miranda, na nagsasabing ito daw ay malaki ang epekto sa mga environmental issues natin ngayon. Particularly, cryptocurrency can vary its impact in the environment with the advent of proof of work, amongst others. Si Jack Dorsey, co-founder and former CEO ng Twitter, dismissed Web3 as a venture capitalist plaything. Sabi niya that Web3 will not democratize the internet but it will also shift the power from players like Facebook to venture capital funds like Andreessen Horowitz. Sa totoo lang, marami pa rin talagang mga architecture ngayon and infrastructure na nagkiklaim na sila ay Web3 but they're still not Web3. Sabi ni Kevin Werbach, author ng Blockchain and the New Architecture of Trust, marami pa din daw so-called Web3 solutions ang hindi pa rin decentralized as they seem, while others have yet to show that they're scalable, secure, and accessible enough to the mass market. Miranda, ikaw, ano sa palagay mo? Ang Web3 ba ay may pagkakataong lumaki pa in the future? Comment down below, Miranda, for your inputs and insights. Maraming salamat nga pala sa mga nag-comment sa ating video. What is the content of the case from CFTC? Si Moon, Irvin Cinco, Investigador, kay Y, Orient Pearl, Angelo Santos, Nelson Balansag, Jeffrey Rose, Lex, Lucy, and kay Mark Minidoge. Maraming salamat, Miranda, and I love you 3,000.
Subscribe, like, follow, and share. Sige na please, Miranda.